The meat is the primary ingredient here. Put it down. There you go. So thin it's like nothing's there. I'm gonna add the topping. Today I'm making Lahmajoun, a Turkish pizza. Let's do it. Just like the fugazzetta, I'm gonna start with the dough. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to 1 cup of flour. I'm just going for a personal pizza this time. And then got my yeast slurry here. If you want to know how to do that, check out the fugazzetta video. It's really simple. I'm just gonna stir this until it's combined, work the dough a little bit, and then we're gonna let this rest while we work on the other ingredients. Nice and sticky ball of dough. Now put it in the bowl, prep the other ingredients. So for the other ingredients, normally you'd go with a minced lamb meat, but that's hard to find, so lean ground beef works as well. And then I'm gonna do some basic vegetables. I'm using fresh tomato. You can use tomato paste if you want. Some parsley, a little bit of onion, some garlic, and a bell pepper, because I can't handle a hot pepper right now. So here's my prepared ingredients. I'm gonna add this to my meat, just a little bit at a time. Make sure not overwhelming the meat. The meat is the primary ingredient here. I'd say tomatoes are secondary. I'm just gonna make a layer thin enough to spread over the flatbread. Salt, some paprika. I like curry powder, so a little bit of that. Pepper, and just a tiny hit of cinnamon. Nope, that was not a tiny hit. Finally, a splash of olive oil. That's pretty good, right? Let's check on that dough. All right, get your ball of dough, a little bigger than last time. Put it down, and roll it out as flat as you can get it. There we go. So thin, it's like nothing's there. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in my skillet right here. And I could trim off the edges right here to make it lay flat in the skillet. Or you could like fold it in a tiny bit if you want like a crust on it. But this is supposed to be kind of a flatbread pizza. I made mine into a little crust because I love some crust on a pizza. Now, I'm gonna add the topping. So we're just gonna try and spread this around as equally as we can. Shouldn't be too much of it. And for the vegetarians out there, you can do roasted eggplant instead of meat and still have a delicious flatbread pizza. All right, final step. Bake this in the oven at 450 for 5 to 7 minutes, or just, until the pizza looks brown, meat looks done. Oh man, that looks so good. Gotta wait for it to cool though, or I'm gonna get the hot burnt pizza mouth. All right, the only thing left to do is give this thing a taste. All right, let's try it. That's good. Just a little bit of tahini sauce on here though, and that will be heavenly. There's also a couple other ways you can eat this. Like, so here's an alternate way to eat lahmajoun. First, I forgot a little lemon juice last time. Then here I have some freshly made pickles. They're purple because I used apple cider vinegar, and some red onions that I pickled with them. And then some lettuce. And then finally, something to counteract all that little acidity. You can add tahini sauce is the most traditional, or tzatziki. You could also do yogurt though. That's that adding right now because I don't have the other two at the moment. And then wrap it up and eat it Euro style. Let's see how this thing is this style. Oh yeah, I prefer the Euro style. There's so much more stuff going on here, more toppings, equals more fun, right? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see me make more food. See ya.